Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to day 8 of the Merry Craftmas series for 2021. I'm co-hosting this fun event with my crafty BFF, Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this triangle box in 3 different ways. Now, this is a play on the Christmas tree K-cup box that I showed you yesterday. Before I review this project in further detail, I did want to give you a friendly reminder. We will be giving away fun prizes and hidden giveaways throughout this series. In order to participate, you must watch each of the videos in this series, you must leave a comment, and you must be a visible subscriber to both my channel and Michelle's channel. By making your channels visible or public, this enables us to go and verify that you are indeed a subscriber to our channels. I have 3 different versions of this project that I'm going to show you, and we're going to make one together. The inspiration for this project was my sister. I showed her the Christmas tree K-cup holder that I made yesterday. That is a beautiful piece. It's very sturdy and it will look perfect as a home decor piece in your kitchen or on your coffee or hot cocoa bar. However, she asked me to come up with some fun project that was similar that she could easily make herself and then give as presents to her coworker. So I did a little digging and I found this file on Cricut Design Space. It's called their Triangle Gift Box. If you're a subscriber to Cricut Access, then you'll be able to use this file for free. In the file, you will receive a large bow, the lid, the base, as well as the inside tray to hold the K-cup. And by the way, this holds more than coffee. You can use your K-cups, you can use it for mini bath bombs. You can also adjust the size down smaller to use it as a candy holder for Ferrero Rocher or Lindor chocolate truffles. This project measures 8¼ inches from top to bottom. It's 7½ inches wide and the depth is 2¼ inches. I went with a very traditional Christmas theme and I love the way this turned out. The paper collection that I used is by MINTAY. This is called Merry and Bright. I received this last year in a design team haul from ASC Craft Supplies. I loved it so much that I purchased 2 more collections. Please be sure to visit ASC Craft Supplies online on their website or on their Etsy store. When you spend $75 or more, you will receive free shipping. And don't forget to use my coupon code ROBYN10. That's all in capital letters to receive a 10% discount off your order. This project is so fun and whimsical and I just love the paper. I had so much fun decorating this. In the back we have this large oversized bow. I have this beautiful red glitter poinsettia in the front. I have these gold and cream stamens on the side. A little snowflake. In the back I have this cute little latte with a Santa's belt and a little cream on top, and this is resting on top of a light blue rosette. I've finished this off with fun jute ribbon and then I added on these little bells. In the center you can see there's a silhouette of a Christmas tree and I have acetate behind that. And then on the lower left corner, I fussy cut these images from the paper collection. We've got a cute little snowman ornament and a little Christmas bulb here in blue, and then one down here on the bottom. And then I fussy cut this beautiful red rocking horse. This little banner here, Merry and Bright, came from the bottom of the 12 by 12 collection. And then I just backed it on red cardstock and did a little fishtail at the bottom. On the right side, I've used these fun little buttons and sequins. I've layered this red and green button together. We've got a little cream button here. Let me show you the side. I love these scalloped edges, and here's Santa, and this is the back. I'm going to adjust my camera so that I can give you a closer view. Here is a closer look. As you can see, we've got this little glittered snowflake and the stamens, and here is a little rosette. I just love these little bells. And here's a closer look at the bottom here. Let's take a look inside. Here I have 6 K-cups. So the K-cups that I showed you in my first project came in a set of 12. It was the 12 days of Christmas coffee. So I took the other 6 and I filled it in this box. And here's the tray. Let me take this out. This tray is removable, so this comes out just like so. If you didn't want to use the tray, you could just use the gift box like so. If you're going to make this, I suggest that you use a heavier weight cardstock. So I'm just going to put this back inside just like so. And then on this lid, I just have a piece of acetate. So this is the first box. This is the second version of the box that I've created, and it is the exact same silhouette as the first box. However, it has no cutout in the center. Now, I have used dark blue, more masculine colors because this needs to go to a male co-worker. The paper that I use is a very old collection that I had. It's a Recollections that I purchased probably 2 or 3 years ago. On the top, I used this rose gold bow to highlight the rose gold foil details in the paper. I've created this beautiful rosette, but you'll notice I've left it very simple. There's not a lot of embellishments. We've got this jute ribbon here. I cut out a little tag from the paper collection. It says to and from. Let me give you a closer look. Here's a closer look at this beautiful foil detail. I love all of the different prints. And this is a side. On the bottom, I use this wood grain paper. And this is what the back looks like. Let me show you the inside. Inside, I've just used a white tray, and I have this Starbucks Cafe Verona K-cups inside. Let's take a look at one more version of this box. This is the third version of the box, and as you can see, it's much smaller than the last version. This measures 5 5/8 by 5 1/4 inches, and the depth is 1 1/2 inches. The paper collection that I used for this is the Time of Wonders. This is also by MINTAY. This is a beautiful collection. With this version, you can also cut out a silhouette of a tree in the center. I just thought this paper was so pretty that I just wanted to show the large poinsettia. The side of the box is the same, and you still have this scallop trim on the side. Inside there are 3 spaces as opposed to 6. Also, for this example, I decided to include mini bath bombs. So as you can see, this is very versatile. I've showed you 3 examples of this triangle gift box. I'm going to clear off my desktop, grab my materials so that we can make one together. I'll be right back. I've gathered my materials. We are going to make the larger triangle gift box. The paper collection that we're using is by Prima. This is called Christmas Sparkle. In your file, you will receive the lid, and I've chosen to cut out the Christmas tree. This is a piece that's cut out. Save this piece because you can use it as a tag or an embellishment on another project. You'll have a piece for the acetate. This is the inside tray. This is the bottom of the box. You'll also have this extra large bow. And then this is a rosette that's not included in the file. I just simply cut out a rosette in Cricut Design Space. So let's start working on the lid first. For the lid, you want to fold along the score lines and burnish and fold each of the tabs. Then we have our piece of acetate. I've gone ahead and added score tape. You can use liquid glue if you want, and we're going to attach that to the inside. You want to make sure that you have fairly thin score tape along the side edges here. So go ahead and glue in your acetate, and we'll be back for the next step. We have our acetate in. We're going to glue these tabs together just like so to form a corner. You're going to do it on 3 sides, here, here, and here. So go ahead and glue those tabs now. Our lid is now complete. Let's set this aside, and you want to grab the base, which looks just like this. So we're going to do the same thing that we did on the lid. We're going to fold these tabs in, just like so. We're going to do that on all 3 sides. Okay, so go ahead and do that now. Now that we have the base completed, go ahead and grab your tray, this piece, and we're just going to fold along the score lines, and this is going to rest right inside. You can glue this if you want. I don't think it's necessary. I think the wonderful versatility about this box is that you can use it either with the tray or without. The tray definitely makes it a bit more sturdy. Grab your lid, and you have a beautiful box. Now let's make the bow and the other embellishments. So this is my bow and my tail. I want to add a little dimension to this. I'm going to take my Cricut spatula and just curl it just like so. Then I'm going to fold in these little pieces towards the center, just like so, and that will create the bow. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that now. We have our bow attached. Let's glue down our tails first. So I'm going to match the top of the Christmas tree to this little point right here. So that's going to go right there. I want to make sure that you center it. And then I'm going to glue the bow on top. Now I want to add this rosette, but I need to create a little height here. So I'm going to take some foam squares and put that in the center here of the bow. Now I'm going to take my rosette and I'm going to put a little glue in the center here, as well as on the sides. And we're going to center that right here on the bow. Now that we have our bow attached, I think that looks so adorable. I love this little baby deer in the center. I think it looks beautiful against the blue and white polka dot, which matches the bottom of the box. These colors are so pretty. I think this is perfect for a baby's first Christmas. Now all we need to do is decorate this. I am going to decorate this later. I just wanted to show you how fast and easy it was to put together this box. This concludes my review of my 3-in-1 triangle gift box. As you can see, this box is very beautiful and elegant, but it's very easy to make, as you saw in the demonstration. And it's extremely versatile. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas today. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please be sure to join me tomorrow for another fun Christmas craft idea. And don't forget to stop by and visit Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. Thanks so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and Merry Craftmas.